Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by reproducing the animation bug reliably so you can test fixes. Perform the exact actions while noting engine version, OS, GPU, and driver details. This narrows causes. Once done, strip the scene to essentials, disable plugins, and use a clean project copy so extraneous assets don't interfere. Make sure to capture a short screen recording and console logs. They let you compare behavior after each change and prevent wasted effort, chasing intermittent or environment-specific issues. You now dive into the animation data and runtime evaluation to find the mismatch. Inspect keyframes, tangents, interpolation modes, and the clip's timescale because subtle curve differences often cause pops. Then verify the rig. Baked animations versus procedural constraints, parent transforms, and non-uniform scale can alter results. Once you've narrowed candidates, re-export a minimal clip with consistent compression and retargeting settings, and test. Those steps reveal whether the issue is data corruption, import mapping, or runtime sampling. You are in the final stage. Implement the chosen fix and validate thoroughly. If needed, reauthor or bake transforms, correct interpolation or sampling rates, and re-export using reliable settings. After applying the change, run automated and manual tests, capture before and after recordings, and profile playback to ensure performance remains stable. If things go wrong, enable verbose logs, test on alternate hardware and engine versions, and isolate whether the bug is deterministic. That single troubleshooting tip often exposes hidden dependencies or timing issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.